there, little artists! Are you ready to create a fun and exciting playground together? Today, we're going to draw swings, a slider, and even a two-story playhouse. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our pencils and scales and get started on this awesome adventure. First, let's sketch out the layout of our playground. Draw the land where our playground will sit, then add 2 bars for the swings. Draw the swings hanging from the bars, swaying back and forth in the breeze. Now, let's add a 2-story playhouse to our playground. Draw a sturdy structure with 2 levels. And don't forget to include a slider leading down from the 2nd floor for an extra thrill. And no playground is complete without some fluffy clouds floating in the sky above.
Wow!
With our sketch complete, let's go over the outlines with our marker, making them bold and sharp. This will make our playground drawing really stand out and look amazing. Some vibrant colors to our playground. Show your color pens, and let's start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Orange color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Sea green color. Blue color. Let's make our playground come to life with a burst of color. Great job, little artists! You've created a fantastic playground filled with laughter and fun. Keep exploring your creativity and drawing new adventures. Until next time, happy coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.